Police near Houston say they're searching for a mystery woman. Come and watch this. She's been ringing people's doorbells in the middle of the night. She was barefoot at the time. She was wearing just a t-shirt, looked confused. And does that appear that she may have restraints on her wrists? The footage is from one doorbell camera, and people put it up on social media looking for answers. And therefore it's really spread. Now, she apparently rang the bell at several different homes in one night. But then by the time someone got to the door, she wasn't there. Well, neighbors say they hope that whoever this is, she's okay.
You see the video, she was being very quiet and looked just distressed.
Something was wrong. Nothing good happens after midnight.
I hope she's okay, and we get to the bottom of it, and it's no longer a mystery in our neighborhood.
That is so concerning. Officers ask anybody who may recognize her to please call the tip line. It is up there on the screen.